Observe. Do not react. Talk less. Listen more. They want you to lose control over yourself. The truth is, you're the master of yourself, of your thoughts. You have the power to create, and you are creating every second out of your thoughts process. You are the guardian, the master, and has the responsibility. You have the responsibility of your thoughts. Everything is manifesting. Abracadabra. You create as you speak. They want when I open my eyes, want you to lose yourself, lose your energy. They want you to be triggered. They can penetrate your system when you're triggered. It's a doorway for negative forces, negativity in general, to penetrate your auric field, your soul. Do not give them this chance. I heard why. Why are you doing all of that? For the sake of the evolution of your soul. Why are you working on yourself? To erase the traumas, the trapped emotions for them. Not to penetrate you anymore, for you, not to be triggered anymore, for your system, nervous system, to be at peace. When you do not react, you stay alive. You're becoming untouchable. They can't enter. Why you're doing all of that is to end being triggered by anything or anyone. Become the water. Be the water. Be the water. We are working so hard to extract the crap, the trapped emotions out of the DNA. This is what we do on this channel, because we do not want anyone to control us. We are claiming our authority and sovereignty back, because they control you when you're not aware of your emotions. Therefore, we are here to work on your emotions. Trapped emotion. They can't hold you back anymore. Every single person entering your life is just part, I'm hearing, of the holographic tech game simulation called the Matrix. Your soul designed to play the game of life. 4, 3, 2, love. When you embody love, become ultimately love. You reflect God the Most High. I'm seeing in my mind's eye orange fire, transformation, transmutation. Thank you for the confirmation on my phone. And working with Archangel Uriel, that's the truth. My nose is itchy, to help you remove the debris. It's very uncomfortable, this space where you are for some of you. These chants, this frequency are going to help you facilitating this extraction. You're dying, I'm hearing from inside. You're renewing your entire system. This is a big ego death, but this is necessary, my beautiful. I want you to hold. There, I'm hearing hanging there. I want you to hold your breath, because it's just a transition, and the necessary transition for you to remove what they can use to manipulate you. Using Goddess Isis brought back from Egypt. This oil is very special. It stayed for 6 months in a hole under the pyramids of Giza, and it's real blue lotus oil. My nose is very itchy. It's going to help you take your power back. I feel you, warrior of the light. Speak your truth and learn how to be silent when you don't need to talk. Don't lose your energy. Do not react. Don't waste your energy. Don't waste your power. Use your power to create. Sending you codes of wisdom. Instant. Now is a present. Don't forget. If you want to dig deeper, check my website. I offer powerful codes. I've been initiated by my Egyptian family, but not only. I'm an hybrid star seed. I'm working with a lot of different stellar races. I offer masterclass. I offer programs for light workers, Kundalini awakening, life-changing session, and also private quantum healing session. You will find my direct contact down below. One is trust. And I got trust. Again, the now. Someone has some issues being in the now. I got Lemurian memory, and I got celebration. You have no idea how the now is a gift, is a present. This is how you create your future, especially if you do not react. Do not react is creating another future. I love you, and until next time, namaste.